Hi, we're Team Snowden, and we'd just like to take a second and thank you for giving us the privilege of working on the Scenes project for the past few months. This video will go more in depth about what we've accomplished thus far. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the walkthrough of Team Snowden's features. To start off, we're going to be looking at the feature of adding questions to the questions bank. First, we have to select the type of question. As you can see, the drop-down menu is actually populated using the question types directly from the database. First, we're going to type in a code. Let's go with 1, 2, 3. The text we're going to be is, what is programming? Frequency, we'll say it's a 4% frequency and will be in order of 3. The course number will go with 1, 2, 3, 4, and the course title is coding. Author number, I'll give myself an author number of 7, and my name is AJ. Now we can add the options of the questions that we want on the questions bank question. So we'll add fun, we'll add boring, and maybe we'll put hard. Please notice that clicking the save button here doesn't actually post anything yet. It's just creating the array for when we do actually post it when we click the save button down here. First, we have to select a question topic. We can select as many as we want, and it will properly post the question bank ID to these topic models. Next, we can have the choice of adding any new images. We can add any amount of images, but for now, we're just going to upload one image of our great prof, Uda. Understand that we can actually get rid of this picture from uploading it by clicking the X button here. But for now, let's add it back to make sure that we're actually posting it. When we're done, we click save. And this is just a bunch of alerts set up to let us know that the actual models were posted to the database with the corresponding ID if we ever need to use the ID to search for them. I'm just going to speed through these as it's making an alert for everything. Also, if you want to inspect the element, you can see here that yes, these were all created, and as well as the audit trail. Now let's move on to the indicator mapping. As you can see here, this is the data table that will display all of the different questions available for the specified indicator. Right now, we have no indicator that is specified as someone else's route to send into this. So for now, we'll just be going with the indicator null. So let's say we want to set the rubric level 1 for this question and the rubric level 2 for 330. Also take notice that this is actually the question that we had just uploaded to the database. Let's give what is 1 plus 1 level 3 and 332 a level 4. Of course, we can post as many different questions as you want, but we'll just go for these 4 for now. We'll go down to the bottom here and we'll click submit. Again, we'll have an alert saying select indicators have been mapped for 123, 330, 331, and 332.
In the next feature here, we showcase to you our Excel upload functionality. This functionality was already completed in Sprint 2, thus we will be reusing the clip from that.
Over Sprint 2, we wanted to work on the uploading questions from Excel because that was something that we carried forward from Sprint 1. And so we used the XLSX JavaScript library to try and work that out. So if I go to upload questions now, you can see we've also updated our user interface so it's more user-friendly and it looks a lot cleaner than it was last time. You can go to choose file and then upload the question bank, XLSX right here, which is an Excel file, and then I can click submit. Now obviously you can't see the database, but if I go to inspect, I have a console logging what's actually being printed. Go to the console right here. You can see that first it tells you what kind of file it is right here. It tells you the name of the file, which is console logged here, and then creates an array of each individual row from that file. So if I look at the arrays, you can see that there's question 1, which is a short answer question, which has the answer right here. The rest of these are undefined because they're placeholders in case it's a multiple choice question, which you can see in the next array element, which is Q2, which would be type multiple choice, and then have the answers 1, 2, 3, or 4. And again, you can see that for true and false or long answer questions. And so that has been the progress for the uploading questions over Sprint 2.
That concludes the end of our presentation for the overall SEAMS project. It was a great honor to work on this project, and feel free to contact us regarding any questions you may have.